There is a trustworthy enterprise in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Dongguan Fiberlaminate Metal Products Company Limited. Our company is located in Hengli town, which enjoys excellent transport systems and is known as a town of molds. Founded in 2002, our company covers an area of 8,000 square meters and is a high-tech enterprise which independently develops, manufactures, and sells various non-standard large and medium-sized plastic mold bases and die-casting mold bases, as well as precision mold bases such as two-tone mold bases and multi-cavity mold bases for fields including automobiles, home appliances, communication equipment, sports equipment, medicine, office supplies, lighting, hardware templates and mechanical templates, and also sells various domestic and foreign mold steel products. Precision contributes to high quality and high efficiency promotes development. Our company is an innovative one, full of dreams. Over the years, our company has adhered to the management philosophy which puts quality first, gives priority to services, advocates the team spirit and keeps improving, and engage talents mastering high-end cutting-edge technologies in the mold industry. Among them, there's 20 senior management personnel having engaged in the mold industry for over 20 years, and more than 120 professional technicians. All our main technical personnel used to work for leading enterprises in the mold industry. Our company has obtained the certification of the GB T19001 2016 and ISO 9001 2015 quality management systems. Our company has become a member enterprise of the Hardware Machinery Mold Association of Dongguan and Shenzhen Machinery Association and won multiple honorary certifications such as Outstanding Enterprise in South China in China's mold-based industry, an enterprise signing a contract for doing business in good faith and a member unit. Efforts contribute to solid strength and attitudes decide achievements. As the mold industry has developed constantly in recent years, in order to promote corporate development, our company has introduced large and medium-sized high-precision line rail NC machining centers from Japan and Taiwan in succession. And professional production equipment including precision horizontal boring machines and Taiwan Kent precision grinding machines, adopted the online NC machine tool inspection system to reduce man-made errors in large dimensional measurement and errors of measuring instruments and utilize 3D measuring instruments to guarantee stable product quality. Our company strives to become a first-rate company, manufactures first-rate products, and sincerely provides regular and new customers with the best products and services. With a sincere attitude, we satisfy our customers with good products and services. Our company has maintained long-term strategic partnerships with multiple well-known enterprises. Our main customers include TK Holdings, Silver Basis Technology, Konica Minolta, Wenkan Die Casting, Qixin Mold, Noob Centers, Hirosawa Automotive Trim, Precision and Lingyi High-Tech Guangdong Company. All above customers are suppliers of Benz, BMW, Audi, Land Rover, Volkswagen, Toyota, Huawei, Apple, Panasonic, and Oppo. Now our products are sold nationwide and enter overseas markets. Integrity, innovation, progress, and win-win development are the essence of our corporate culture. Only an innovative doer can become a leader in fulfilling dreams. In the future, our company will promote development in terms of capital, talents, products, and markets, and set sail to create a bright future.